Hello YouTube! Boy, we got a special unboxing today. Welcome back to yet another quarantine edition. Hope you guys are hanging in there during the zombie apocalypse. The post office lady just dropped me off a big nice box on the front porch. My very sweet girl Beth, I love her to death. She takes very good care of us here. This box has been a little bit in the making. This company, Nightmare Makers, they make hands down the best skulls on the market. If you guys are tired of dealing with this, Home Depot's best, those days are gone. We got a whole new level to raise our game to. But I do want to say thank you to Nightmare Makers. I had ordered these skulls right around my birthday time, right before the zombie apocalypse hit, like a few days before everybody went on lockdown across the United States. And man, they hung in there. They kept me up to date. Their customer service is top notch. I thank Melanie so much for getting back and forth to me. We made this happen, took a little bit longer, but they are a top-notch company. They also have a YouTube channel. You guys need to check that out. I will link that below. Go subscribe to them and watch their work and watch what they make. Their stuff is next level. It should be the standard of the industry. So let's open this bad boy and see what they sent us. Let's do it. Alright, got our big ass knife. Here we go. Christmas morning all over again. Oh, something popped out. Thank you for your order. I thank you for making skulls, Nightmare Makers. Very cool, Melanie. Super great people. You guys have got to look them up. Like I said, I'll link their YouTube channel below. Find them, go subscribe, watch what they build. This whole Trans World debacle kind of killed things for everybody, which set a lot of things back. But man, they hung in there and made this happen, and I'm just thrilled to have these. I've seen these years ago when they were doing the YouTube videos I saw them on, so I knew I had to have these. I was tired of dealing with plastic crappy skeletons. That's important. Oh, look at this. And they're also making their own styrofoam pumpkin, so I wanted to try one of these. You guys know we're working on the other pumpkin right now. So hollow on the inside, nice and smooth, rigid foam, just like the skulls. Look how cool that is, man. That's going to make a super cool pumpkin. So we're going to have to do something special with this guy, too, in the future. Alright, here we go. Wow. Shirt. Ordered me a shirt. Wow. Nightmare Makers, folks. Look for that logo. That's what you want to find. Come on, Mortimer, hold that for me. Good man. Alright. Here's our first mold, the big femur mold. How cool is that? And it's just a silicone mold. We'll dump a 6-pound rigid bitty foam in there. So we can make us up some nice femurs. That's super freaking awesome. I mean, that's a big caveman ass bone right there for knocking somebody over the head. Super cool, man. So I'm already thrilled. I'm just so excited about all this. Put the femur here. And I went ahead and ordered 4 skulls. They suggest 4 different skulls for 4 different looks. So I picked out 4 individual skulls. So you can make a whole wall of stuff if you want, you know. Alright, here they are. Let's get to skull number 1. I ordered straps too so that way I can hold the molds together. So once they cure, the rigid foam won't push the molds apart and distort your skull. So these are all the straps that go with the molds. Alrighty. 1, 2, 3, and 4. So here's all the straps. Alright. Okay, so this is skull number 2. So that's, like I said, it's a silicone mold. It's a 2-piece. It's rubber band together, I think. Yep, it's rubber band together. I'll pop this off and show you guys. And it's got a nice little flat spot. You can set it on a table for molding so you can turn your skulls up. I'll wiggle you out of there. Come on now. Okay. Ooh, very cool pink color. So it's basically just 2 halves of a mold. We'll put it together. You turn this inside out. You pop your skull out. So here's all the features on the inside. I'll just pop them inside out for you. So that's the reverse of our skull. But these guys are going to make some awesome skulls. I mean, imagine the stuff we're going to build with this. Walls of skulls I see. So So these are basically just 2-part molds. Here's our sock that goes in the middle. We'll put our other half on. Then we pour our foam. We'll strap it together. Wrap a strap around it. We'll pour our foam in. Let it expand. Then we can pop the mold apart in 2 pieces, and we'll have us a full-size skull. So that's very freaking cool. That's skull number 1. We've got skull number 2. Same thing. Little sock mold. We dump our rigid foam in. Set it up on a table. Now these are all full skulls, which you can cast without doing the mouths. You just cut them apart. The rigid foam will cut real easy with a hacksaw or a little chop saw. And full skull number 3. If you guys look on their, I think they have a Facebook page too. I belong to that. It'll show you what the individual designs are for the skulls. I think there are 6 or 7 of them. I got skull number 4, number 7. What's this guy? This is skull number 3. And my last one is skull number 6. So we've got 6 full skull molds. This one's an open mouth mold, so you can make your skulls like screaming or like they're locked in some tragic position, which is freaking awesome. I mean, man, that's just so freaking cool. I cannot wait to start busting out skulls, man. So I'll move this off the table, and we'll set them out here. Alright. So we've got 4 full skull molds and a femur. Let me turn the camera up a little bit so you guys can see all that. There we go. So you guys stay tuned. We are going to have a big molding video day. We are going to have some fun and start filling up all these molds and making some skulls. You guys can see the individual ones. Like I said, I'm just so ecstatic. I mean, their customer service is top notch. I mean, Melanie, thank you so much for staying in contact with me and working with me. She even gave me a chance to back out of the order, but I was like, oh, hell no. I want these skulls. I've been looking for them for a long time. I saved for them. I wanted to get them. I was not backing out of that order. So very soon, maybe next week, we're going to have a big rigid foam casting video. I want you guys to wait for that. It's a-coming. And we're going to break these bad boys in. And you guys are going to see some top-notch skulls that you can stay away from the Home Depot anymore. You ain't got to buy them plastic crappy skulls. We're going to have a whole new Kingdom of Evil with these bad boys. So in the meantime, I want you guys to go look up Nightmare Makers. Look them up online. Like their Facebook page. Find them on YouTube under Nightmare Makers. Like I said, I'll post a link. Go subscribe. And you guys have got to start getting some of these for yourself. Are they cheap? No. Are they an investment up front? Yes. But the money I'm going to save in the long run of making my own skulls that are better than what I can buy in the store is worth every freaking penny. So I hope you guys enjoy this. If you like this video. Go find Nightmare Makers. Like to them. Subscribe to them. And man, go get you guys some molds. And in fact, I'll prove it next week when I put my video out of all these rigid foam skulls. I will prove how nice they are. You guys will be climbing on top of each other to get yourself some of these. So, thanks for watching so much. I appreciate you guys. Man, I cannot wait to dig in and start pouring some friggin' skulls. I will see you guys soon. Thanks for watching.